Hey you guys, welcome to another episode of See What Rita's Cooking. I am still in janky recording mode. If you saw my last video, you know that my handle on my stand, my tripod broke. And so I don't have anyone here right now that can hold my camera for me. So I'm just doing the best that I can to bring you guys a couple of videos before my weeks get really crazy with my daughter's appointments and procedures that she's got coming up. So if it's your first time, I usually am more professional. Ask about me. They will tell you. Okay? Okay. But right now I'm just doing what I can. So I know you can see this pie crust and I know you getting all excited and you saying, this girl been bringing us some desserts. I have. And this one is a good one. But before we get into it, I just want to make sure you hit the like button on these videos. You guys are doing such a great job. It helps me, and I hope you'll remember to hit the like button. Just hit it as soon as you get on here and just go ahead and get it out the way so you won't forget. And make sure you are liking these videos. Make sure you are commenting, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel because it's a cool channel, I think so. But today, you guys, without further ado, we're going to be making a pie, and it is a very favorite of mine. It is a lemon icebox pie. It is so simple. It's done so many ways, but my way, 1, 2, 3 ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes to mix it up and put it in the refrigerator. Now, it needs to be refrigerated for at least 4 hours so it can set up. I like to let mine stay in the refrigerator overnight. And this is what you're going to need. You're going to need your graham cracker crust, honey. I ain't Betty and I ain't Crocker. So I got me one from the store and his Keebler. Okay? And then you're going to need 2 cans of Eagle brand condensed milk. Now, y'all know that stuff don't play. Okay, and I love my lemon icebox pie to be lemony. So this is a cup of lemon juice, fresh squeezed. And I got me a little thin, little lemon, slice right there to make something cute in the middle. You're going to need you some whipped topping, okay? That is it. Oh, no, I lied. And there is 3 egg yolks, you guys. This pie is not refrigerated. Girl, honey, it is refrigerated. This pie is not baked. So you use the yolks only on this pie, okay? Because you ain't supposed to be running around here eating no raw egg whites. You ain't supposed to do that. Now, I don't know where your whipped cream is at the present time. I know we got all this stuff by staying at home, and Rona is a fool right now. So you know it might be anywhere. Just go get your whipped cream from wherever it may be. You don't need it right now, but you gonna need it for later. So if you need to run and go get it, I'll give you a minute. Okay, let me give you a minute. Okay, did you go get it? Okay. Nasty girl. Anyway, so that's all you need for this pie. So everything is going to go into my mixing pan, you guys, my mixing bowl. I'm going to mix everything together because I got little short Ashanti arms and I can't be trying to get all this stuff in this bowl and stuff and hold this thing because I'm just 5'2", so I'm gonna get all of my good condensed milk and stuff out of here, get my juice in here, and I'm gonna get the whipping it good and getting it all incorporated, and then I'll be right on back. Okay, so this is the results of my 2 cans of carnation milk. Now make sure you're getting some condensed milk. Did I say carnation? Because I don't think them the same thing. Get condensed milk. Okay? 2 cans. And make sure you have 3 egg yolks. Now, when you get through And make sure you have, now that lemon juice, start with about a half a cup and move up from there. I like mine really lemony, and these 2 cans of condensed milk can stand up to that lemon. So I have a cup of lemon juice. And what you're going to look for, you're going to make sure that thing is creamy, that you don't see any of those egg yolks running through there, okay? Because if it's in here, when it forms up, it's going to be in your pie. So make sure that all of that is incorporated, honey, because the last time I heard you can't, listen, you don't want no egg in there then. You just don't want it, you know, at the holidays, and, you know, they won't ask you to do pie no more. So we don't want that. It's a simple pie. It's a good pie. It's a gone pie. Easy breezy, eat. Okay? So now that I have this all the way that I like it, with just those 3 simple ingredients, the lemon juice, the egg yolk, and my condensed milk, I'm going to put it in my graham cracker crust. Now, if you feeling all about yourself and you like to mash up you some graham crackers and put you some butter in that thing and make your own crust, sis, auntie, cousin, go for it, okay? Go for what you know. I ain't in that mood, okay? I'm going to fill this crust with my filling, and then I'm going to put my little lemon slice up there, and put me some little ooh la la, some whipped cream. You know, I already got mine where I need it. It's in here. I already see it's already here. I don't got to go nowhere to get it. Okay, it's right here. So I'm going to do all of that, and I'm going to let y'all see how it look, and then I'm going to put it in the icebox overnight, and next time y'all see me, I'll be slicing that thing. Hold on. See how good and smooth it is? See that? See that? You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? Okay. Let me show y'all how I'm doing this. Like, I put my lemon all in there like I'm somebody's child. That lemon about to drown. I should have probably waited till it got a little bit harder. But all I'm doing with this is doing like this. I hope I can do this with one hand and show y'all. Straight out the can. Ooh, it's using all my muscles. Okay, you see that? Nothing's fancy. No tips, no nothing. Just straight out the can. Just like this. Let me show you again. See? See that? Just like that. So I'm going to finish that. Put it in the refrigerator. Next time y'all see me, we'll be cutting a slice. Ooh, it's going to be good. Okay, you guys. So see, the pie has been in the icebox all night. All I did was zest me some little lemon zest on the top. And you know what ingredients we use. We use three egg yolks, 2 cans of condensed milk, and a cup of lemon juice. So this is what we got. Let's see what we got on the inside, and we're going to all be seeing together. So I hope I don't get embarrassed out here in these streets. Let me give me something to cut it with. I was going to use this, but I don't think I can cut it with that. Give me something to cut this thing with. We're going to cut this thing. We're going to cut this thing. Okay, if you saw my last video, you know I'm having some tripod problems. So I'm trying to make sure y'all get to see everything y'all need to see. Looking dark to me, could just be me. I'm just not used to this little setup, so everything is irritating me. I don't want y'all to have too much light in y'all face. I'm tripping today. I just want to get through. So this is our lemon icebox pie. Let's just cut into this thing and see if she's going to stand up to the pressure. Okay? She don't have no, she don't have no cream cheese. She don't have no cream cheese. She don't have nothing. She just got 3 ingredients. How will she stand up to the test? Let's see. We about to see, y'all. We about to see. I'm going to cut a few pieces, and that'll help me get the piece out that I want. And y'all see how my little decorations on the top, I had those little squeezes, the little dollops. Honey, that mess must have melted right on down when I put it in the icebox. So I hope my pie set up I gave it enough time. That's one thing too about these. A spring form is better when you're doing these types of pies, you know, but we're going to go with God and see. Yeah. Cross your fingers. See, I'm already breaking the crust. The crust is just so... Okay, Lord have mercy, Jesus Christ. Let's get up under there, girl. All right, y'all see her? She's standing up. She's standing up. Put her over here on this plate. She is standing up. Can y'all see that? It did form up. Let's see. Where is me a spoon? I want y'all to see that it is formed, you guys. Just those ingredients. You see that? It is formed. I just didn't do a good cutting job, but it is formed. You see that? See? See in there? Yeah. Let me see what it tastes like. That's all I care about. Let's see. I say little pie. I say pie. Let's taste it. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, it's so good. It's good. It's real good. Where are y'all? I don't know where y'all at. I don't know how to. Okay, hey y'all. Whew, child. I'm over here living. And this, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's this ring light, but everything looks like it's got a glare with me using this stand. But yeah, this is a good, trying to get that out. This is a delicious pie. It's got a really good taste to it. And it stands up to the, where are you? Stands up to, I'm trying to turn my spoon like that. See that? It's formed up. So at least give your pie 4 hours, but overnight is for best. So good. You guys, that's all I have for you right now. Child, I got some kind of message. I hope this is recording. But that's all I have for y'all. I just want to get a couple of videos out because y'all know I have some crazy stuff, some appointments and stuff going on with my daughter. So make sure you like it, honey. I know it's a mess, but like it because you love me. Give me a like because you love me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And most of all, don't forget your food ain't all the way live until it's been RitasEatas. I will see you guys on the next one. I love you guys.